Sasikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze nohlonze kusihlwa nje.
The state will grant you the required information as he said and as he undertook to do. If there's anything else you want, I would suggest that you approach her.
Ihlehliso linyanga ezayo icala lokuzama ukubulala elibhekene nosomabhizinisi ondabamlonyeni uVus'Umuzi Kurt Matlala nabathathu asolwa nabo.
You are not being asked to represent any particular constituency or organization.
Umengameli wezwe ubamba umhlangano wokuqala nethimba lethunywe iqavile izohola isithangamse ingxoxo ngesimo sezwe okuhlelo lwaziwa nge-National Dialogue. Ayaqhubeka amalungiselelo okufihlakalo wabe yiphini likaMengameli wezwe uDavid Mabuza nozofihla kusasa eBarberton eMpumalanga. Nakwambombosho omnyama uqamla nkomo kuba zilahlekile siyakufa umdlebe kwaSoshangane siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lenkezengeze nasi indaba. Usomabhizinisi ondabuze kwayo uVus'Umuzi Matlala nowaziwa ngoKurt uzogcinwa eDocksini njengoba icala abhekene nalo lihlehliso linyanga ezayo ngenxa yokuthi kusazobhekisiswa amadokodo amabili amasha. uMatlala ngasabhekane namanye amacala njengamanje yena kanye nonkosikazi wakhe kanye nabanye ababili bebhekene namacala okucija itulo lokubulala nokuzama ukubulala kanye namanye.
uVus'Umuzi Matlala ubhekene namacala kanye nonkosikazi wakhe nababili asolwa nabo kungumusa Kekana kanye noTiego Mabusela kusolwa ukuthi bakhi itulo lokubulala baphinde bazama ukubulala lo wayethandana noMatlala onguTeboho Thobejana wayesemontweni nomngani wakhe kanye nomshayeli ngenkathi edutshulwa abalisa abangaziwa. Abameli uMatlala baphikise ngokuthi umbuso awuzange ukhipha onke amaphepha aphathelene nedokodo.
We haven't got the 205s for those bank statements. We haven't got the bank statements. They rely on the bank statements. We don't have the rest of what they found on the cell phones. And we think that we're entitled to that.
Imantshi iqinisekise bameli ukuthi bazowathola onke amaphepha alahlekile aphathelene necala.
The state will grant you the required information as he said and as he undertook to do. If there's anything else you want, I would suggest that you approach her.
Iqembu umkhonto wesizwe belikhona enkantolo.
For the past times we have seen the justice system, especially the judiciary, holding firm when South Africa needed them the most, and we believe this is that time that South Africa needs them the most.
Matlala usazogcina eStocksini kanti unkosikazi wakhe uzoba ngaphandle ngebhayili yenkulungwane engamashumi zamarandi. Abanye abasolwa ababili baboshelwe ukuthinta olunye udaba kanti bonke balindeleke ukuba bavele enkantolo enyangeni ezayo.
Basishaka lolunye abantu abakulili ngokungemthetho abakhalele ngamasongo kaSigonyela ngesikhathi uhulumeni wesifundazwe eKwaZulu Natal umnyango wezasekhaya kanye namaphoyisa beqhubha umkhankaso begasele inkampanini besabela njengoba umbiko wezomhlolo waveza ukuthi ukhathazekile ngokuqashwa kwabantu bokufika kuleli abangekho kuleli eNingizimu Afrika ngokusemthethweni.
Amaphoyisa agasele kule ndawo ngenhloso yokushaqa labo abakuleli ngokungemthetho. Kukholakala ukuthi umnikazi oleli business ubalekile ebalekela amaphoyisa. Indunankulu oKwaZulu Natal uMnumzana uThamsanqa Ntuli uthi osomabhizinisi abaqasha abakuleli ngokungemthetho bazoyikhotha imbenge yomile.
Sikwazile ukuthi bathola abayishaka lolunye nokusikhathaza kakhulu ukuthi nezimo zakhona ngaphakathi ifeme enkulu le ekhiqiza inqwaba yamakhekha agcwala isifundazwe nangaphandle kwesifundazwe mawubuka inani lomkhiqizo wakho. Kodwa ufica kuhlezi nezilwana amakati kuhlezi noflower amakati uyaza noboya kusho uboya kuphelela kuwo lamakhekhe.
Kusenjalo undunankulu waKwaZulu Natal uthi ke isifundazwe siyameseka ukhomishana wamaphoyisa esifundazweni uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kulandela izinsolo azenzile ngesonto ezibhekiswe kungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uMnumzane uSenzo Mchunu kanye nezinye izikhulu zamaphoyisa.
We have full confidence over the police and even over his leadership in the province of KwaZulu Natal and the braveness, in fact, to speak to the issues which seems to be, in fact, quite issues which seem not to be easy.
uNtuli uthi labo ababoshiwe namhlanje bazokuphindiselwa emazweni abo. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngesempilo eningizimu yeTheku.
Umengameli wezwe ubambe umhlangano wokuqala nethimba lethunywe iqavile izohola isithangamse ingxoxo ngesimo sezwe okuhlelo lwaziwa nge-National Dialogue.
Izinselele eziningi ezibhekene nezwe ngokunye kokuholile ekutheni kuqhanyuke nombono okusungulwa kwesithangamse engxoxo ngesimo sezwe njengomzamo ukuthi izakhamuzi zinikwe ithuba lokubeka uvo lwazo ngalokho ezifuna kwenziwe uhulumeni.
We are asking you as eminent persons to be the champions of the national dialogue, not cheerleaders. We expect that you will critically consider the progress and the conduct of the national dialogue and provide advice where correction is required.
Umengameli Ramaphosa wexwayise laba abazoba zithunywa ezinohlonze ezithangamse ezingxoxo ngesimo sezwe ngokuthi bakhona sebeqalile ukubeka amabala loluhlelo nabasabalalisa ukuthi kuzochithwa imali engaphezulu kwegidi engamakhulu ayikhombisa zamarandi kulo.
I am so honored to be here because I write stories and interviewed around the world about what the hell is going on there. I wish we'd walk out here, Mr. President, with a new story to tell, just for me.
So I'm here in many ways to help assist with the facts, to open space and talk about these incredibly uncomfortable issues in our country.
Ungqongqoshe wezemali uthi kuzobukezwa udaba lwesamba semali ezoqhuba umsebenzi we-National Dialogue.
The last meeting of cabinet agreed that the price tag of 740 is too much. The organizers have got to be asked to trim it a bit.
Kulindeleke ukuthi umbuthano omkhulu wokuqala wesithangamse ezingxoxo ngesimo sezwe ube maphakathi nenyanga ezoqala.
Ayaqhubeka amalungiselelo okufihla kwalo wayiphindile kaMengameli wezwe uDavid Mabuza njengamanje sixhumana noqweqwe lentathele simkantshubomvu samukele wakwaMaseko belilandela lolu daba. Maseko asikubingelele sikwamukele endabeni zosuku sicela nje usichazele ngamalungiselelo nokunye okwenzekayo la ukhona.
Amalungiselelo nomzana uNdloda angathi ahamba kahle kakhulu. Sibonile ubuholi benhlangano ebusayo ubuholo yena unobhala jikelele usosiba jikelele ufikile eMbalula ehambisana nohlalo wesifundazwe uMandla Ndlovu kanye nonobhala wesifundazwe uMuzi Chirwa kanye namalungu esigungu esiphezulu se-ANC bamukela umzimba wakhe uMabuza ngenkathi usuka emakhazeni eMbombela bewulande nangehlahla behamba nomndeni. Siyazi ke bekumele kube khona inkonzo ebizoba khona namhlanje ebusuku ebizwa ngumlindelo igcina ihlehliswa ke lo nkonzo bathi ayingeke isaba khona ngoba nomndeni sekumele wamkele manje ngempela ukuthi umnomzane uMabuza oyeyiphini likamongameli eNingizimu Afrika phinde abe uhlalo olesi sifundazwe amahlandla amathathu akasekho emhlabeni. Sibonileke bekuneyinkonzo zesikhumbuzo zakhe izolo efundeni ezintathu eNkangala ehlanzeni lana esikhona eMbombela kanye futhi naseGert esibande ngako-Bad Plus lapho kade kukhona uhlalo we-ANC uGwede Mantashe. Siyazi ke eksasa ke ukuthi kuzobe sekuba khona ke iyona ke uhambo lakhe lokugcina inkonzo yokumphelezela yokugcina ezobe iyihlandla lesibili yomngcwabo wombuso owunikwe uyena ke umongameli waseNingizimu Afrika ozobe usedolobheni estadium lana eMbombela. Kuzobe sekubuywa ke eseyobekwa endlini yakhe yokugcina lana eplazini lakhe eBabathini lana umzimba wakhe okhona njengamanje. Siyazi abaholi abaqavile beANC abanye abangakwazanga ukuza phakathi nesonto akade bekhona ngenkathi ethatha umphefumulo wakhe wokugcina bemamukela kufika nomndeni eGauteng uPanyazela uSufu oNdunankulu aphinda abe uhlalo we-ANC naye ukhona njengamanje phakathi nomndeni nabanye ke abaholi beANC. Kuzothi kusasa ekseni mnomzana uDludla kuzobe sekuthathwa ke wona ke umfanekiso weANC ozobe ukwazi okungibozwe ngawe wona ke ibhokisi lakhe iflag layo iANC kuzobe selithathwa selinikwa unobhala jikelele we-ANC ozobe selithatha-ke eselinika umndeni lapho-ke kuzobe sekuthathwa umzimba wakhe kuMabuza usunikwa khona-ke umbuso njengoba enikwe umngcwabo wombusazwe osehlandleni lesibili ozobe uphethwe wona-ke amasosha aseNingizimu Afrika.
Maseko, asibonge kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho mbukelo indaba ze-SABC. Sikhumbuzeke ukuthi ke kusasa i-SABC izobe ikwethulela wona lo mngcwabo bukhoma, zizobe zikhona ke intatheli ke usamkelo kaMaseko, intatheli esimkatshubomvu kanye nozakwabo uNatasha Phiri ke ake sibheke noma siqhubeke neindaba zethu. Sisathi qwe itolo kanti mangabe sibuya sizophathela udaba oluthi.
Wazi ngendlela kwenzeke ngakhona angikhoni ukuthi ngingachaza because kubhlungu ngoba umuntu alele lapha usiswami.
Seqalwe uphenyo mayelana nembangela yokuqubuka komlilo odlule nabantu abahlanu endaweni eMjondolo i-Oliver Holt Bosch ePitoli namhlanje ekseni. Siyabuya ke mbukeli sagunyamathe ungayindawo. Asikubingelele sikwamukele mbukeli mosanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi lihlehliso linyanga ezayo icala lokuzama ukubulala elibhekene nosomabhizinisi ondaba mlonyeni uVusumuzi Cat Matlala nabathatha solwa nabo. Mbukela sikhumbuze ukuthi lezi ndaba oyibuka njengamanje ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Nokumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani sizothi nje masiqeda ukuyisakaza ozwa ukuthi bazobe sebeyifaka ngekhasini lethu uzoyithola njengoba zinjalo. Seqalwe uphenyo mayelana nembangela yokuqubuka komlilo odlule nabantu abahlanu endaweni eMjondolo i-Oliver Holt Bosch ePitoli namhlanje ekseni.
uNthabiseni Manganye uyena kuphela ilungu lomndeni elisindile ngesikhathi umlilo unqonqisa eMjondolo abahlala kuyo. Uthina manje akakakholwa ukuthi ngempela abasekho abathandiweyo bakhe. Amalungu omphakathi aphume ngobuningi ukuzokweseka leli lungu lomndeni ngesikhathi esinzima sokulahlekelwa umndeni wakhe.
Wazi ngendlela kwenzeke ngakhona angikhoni ukuthi ngingachaza because kubhlungu ngoba umuntu alele lapha usiswami. Yayibona abantu abakhe noma wakhe bahambe bonke and then uthi ikhosi yemlilo ukhoswe yini angazi.
Izimo esiphuthumayo eTshwane bathi basebenza ngokuzikhandla ukuze bathole imbangela yomlilo.
To determine what really happened. So this unit are from our emergency services department, Tshwane Emergency Services Department, and they are doing what we call a fire cause determination together with the SAPS, the South African Police Service.
Imeya yaseTshwane ithi sebeqalile ngokuhlinzeka ngosizo olufanele emndenini yezisulu.
We must support them in getting their families back to the Northwest. The first thing that we've done was to deploy our social workers for psychosocial support. Our EMS team is also going to continue to monitor the site, but also our TMPD chief is liaising with the South African Police Service. So the first thing is that whatever is happening here, we must support them here. They say that they're going to move to the Northwest.
Phangalele bazobekwa endlini yabo yokugcina esifundazweni Northwest emva kokwenziwa kwezinhlelo ezidingekayo.
Umnqosho womnyango wezokuxhumana uSolimalathu umemezela indaba zokuthi iposi elizonikezwa imali nge-1.8 billion wamarandi ukuze likwazi ukubuyisa uzinzo ekusebenzeni kwalo.
Uthethaca uhlahlo lwabuwomali olungaphansi kancinci kwisigidigidi ezisibhozo zerandi waze wahlangula nenkampani kahulumende yeposi.
The South African Post Office is allocated 1.8 billion to fulfill its universal services obligations and improve service delivery. This funding will help support SAPO's efforts to diversify revenue, rebuild trust, and stabilize operations.
This entity is a crime scene on its own. It received 381 million rand bailout, and we still ask, where is the audit report?
Amanye amalungu aseParlamente alixibhile isebe sithi lo
the lackluster pace in enacting urgent legislative reform has weakened the sector and left the vulnerable defenseless.
The misplacement of a target regarding the equity equivalent programs may not be a coincidence, but forms part of what we think is the mischief we have been dealing with in the committee.
Our independent regulator must be allowed to perform its duties without political interference, applying the law equally to all participants.
The committee welcomes the Minister's bold decision to convene a policy colloquium to inform a comprehensive overhaul of the Electronic Communications Amendment Bill.
It cannot be correct that it is attributable to be an onslaught on transformation when it is a further entrenchment of what the transformation laws of the country seeks to achieve.
Kwiindaba ze-SABC ingubuki Philip eParlamente.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana akagcinanga nje ngokuhlinzeka iposti ngemali uphinde wahlinzeka iSABC ngesamba semali esiyigide ngama-770 zamarandi. Lokhu kuzemva kokuthi lo msakazelo umphakathi usuke wabhekana nengqinamba kwezemali eminyakeni yakamuva edlule.
The public broadcaster will receive 704 million over the MTF period. This includes 43 million for program production, 464 million to support the core public broadcasting mandate, and 197 for Channel Africa, which amplifies South Africa's voice across the continent. Furthermore, the department has published the request for proposals to develop a more sustainable funding model that is much needed for the public broadcaster.
Kanti sisekuze ithinta umsakazelo womphakathi akusenza ukuzatshwala ukuthi iSABC ibungaza iminyaka engama-75 yaqala ukusakaza indaba. Mbukeli sekube nezinguquko eziningi kulomsakazelo womphakathi njengoba sikhuluma nje indaba uyisakaza cishe ngazo zonke ilimi. Sithi nje asigabisele mbukeli ngezingqalabutho zabafundi beindaba ababamba iqhaza la esizulwini sike saba nezinkakhe ezifaka phakathi uXolani Gwala, uBongani Gamede, uMduduzi Hlophe kanye noSibongile Sokhulu.
Verbiedegevechte het gister op Korea gewoed, maar daar was geen verdere groot deur.
Allah retyo bantu mpopozi wezindaba ozipopoza wedlule isiphethu.
Dit is 5 Januarie 1976.
The 5th of January 1976 has finally arrived, and with it the birth of a full television service.
Sanbonani sekufe abanye abantu abalishumi nanye emgwaqeni yaseNingizimu Afrika.
This July, SABC News proudly celebrates 75 years of fearless, award-winning journalism.
Among the night's big winners was the South African Broadcasting Corporation, which walked away with several awards acknowledging their continued impact in the industry.
From the echoes of history.
Will you please raise your right hand and say, "So help me God"? So help me God.
To the headlines of today.
South Africa, Rugby World Cup champions.
We've told the stories that shaped a nation and the stories that restored faith in humanity. Join us as we journey through time, honoring the voices.
Waar dit gister opgeraak het, I'm now paying R5 for a liter.
Celeste Phillips, SABC.
Kokelitanda, we SABC. Duimela.
Sianbulisa.
Goeienaand en welkom by die nuus om 7.
Welcome to the news.
Good evening.
SABC. Dis tyd vir die nuus om 6 op SABC 2. It's a very good evening to you.
And the truths that built our legacy, lighting the path toward the next chapter of news. SABC News, independent and impartial.
Amaphoyisa aseGauteng asebopho wesifazane oneminyaka engama-31 ubudala othinteke ekubulaweni kaJaden Limik obeneminyaka eyi-11 ubudala. Isidumbu sale ngane sitholakale kulonyaka eFleur eGoli. Umsolwa kukholakala ukuthi uyisihlobo emndenini.
Amaphoyisa asegcine ebophe umsolwa kuleli cala elashaqisa umphakathi waseFleur. Umsolwa kukholakala ukuthi uyisihlobo.
It's worrisome. It's concerning. A very, very close family member, a 31-year-old female, is arrested for murder of an 11-year-old boy. For what? Why? Innocent soul? That's not fair.
uJaden wagcina ukubonakala emva kokushwa imoto ehambisa izingane zesikole wagcina engafikanga ekhaya. Umphakathi uthukuthele kakhulu ngalolu daba futhi ugxeka amaphoyisa ngendlela alisingathe ngayo. Umsolwa naye ubengumunye wabantu asebeke babhikisha bebhikishela ukuthi kwenziwe ubulungiswa kuleli cala.
You know, there will be so empowerment group, this group calling them this and marching, holding placards, not knowing what to do, accusing police for doing this or not doing this. We knew, we remained resolute, we knew what we are doing, and we focused on what is before us.
uJaden Lee wangcwatshwa emathuneni eWest Park ngoNhlaba. Umsolwa kulindeleke ukuba avele okokuqala ngqa enkantolo ngesonto elizayo.
Ibanyana Banyana izogadulisana neTanzania ngehora lesishagalolunye ebusuku emidlalweni wesibili wesigaba samaqoqo emqhudelwaneni weAFCON oqhubekayo kwelaseMorocco.
Lamaqembu azobe ebhena kwesibili emlandweni weAFCON. Ibanyana yanqoba ngamagoli amabili kwelilodwa ngesikhathi lamaqembu egcina ukudlala kulomqhudelwano. ENingizimu Afrika yaphinde yaguqisa iTanzania emidlalweni emibili yokuhlungela ama-Olympics. Kodwa kulokho Ibanyana ilindele umdlalo onzima umsibheni naleli qembu.
We want to get a win. It would cement our place in the second round, and then the last group game would obviously determine who goes top. But I've seen the matches over the last couple of days. There's no easy game. And we've played Tanzania before, but that game's out of the window. It means nothing. So we also know that they need to win to stay in the competitions.
Ibanyana kuzomela idlale kahle ithatha amathubayo ngaphambi kwamapali.
Move the ball around. That's all they need to do, because that's our strength as a team. Moving into small pockets, keeping the ball that long, making sure we tire our opponents, and making sure that when we get in the final third, we create those chances and maybe capitalize on them.
Lo mdlalo uzoqala ngehora lesishagalolunye namuhla kusihlwa.
Mbukele umhlehlezo masezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu unganyakazi siyabuya.
Clear Glyco Oil, a combination of glycerine and tissue oil formulated to target stretch marks. Women agree it works to visibly reduce stretch marks and moisturize dry skin. Clear Glyco Oil. Try it, feel it, love it.
One day, while teaching an oral health care class, I saw a little boy who kept covering his mouth. It turns out he had lost some of his teeth and he felt embarrassed. Now, as a hygienist, a child's smile means everything to me. Every child has a right to smile, and a beautiful smile is a healthy smile, and nothing should ever get in the way of that.
30 years ago, a fledgling democracy came together to celebrate something extraordinary. That legacy of excellence has endured as the Springboks have risen again and again and again to commemorate 3 incredible decades. SA Rugby, SuperSport and SABC Sport bring you a celebratory broadcast. Catch South Africa versus Italy live on SABC2 and SABC Plus.
The new McCrispy is here. A crunchy, juicy, 100% chicken fillet with lemon pepper sauce on a soft potato bun. Bring the noise.
All right, listen up. Colgate is on a mission. It's kind of a big thing. Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature's herbs and combines it with Colgate Science for healthy gums and strong teeth. Now, new Colgate Herbal with salt for strong teeth and healthy gums.
Mzansi, the Powerball jackpot guaranteed at 65 million rand is waiting to be won this Friday. That's right. Play Powerball for the guaranteed 65 million rand jackpot today, and you could win the multi-millions. What are you waiting for? All you need to do is buy your tickets now in store on nationallottery.co.za, the mobile app, cell phone banking, or simply dial *120*7529# for USSD. Panda, Pusha, play. eTuba is a proud operator of the National Lottery.
O reng le sa bolele le se retšhela e le ona ena gona le selonyana se ke sa se boneng ga botse ka yena nne
go re wheelchair ya stance na le sepiti fast and furious.
Let's say you're kidding me, right? You really want me to pay back this money?
I need you to learn to take responsibility for your actions.
Skim Sam, tonight at 7:30 on SABC1.
Redeem the Big Tasty on the McDonald's app and you could jet off to Bali with your bestie. Big Tasty. Big on sauce, big on rewards. Rewards exclusive to the McDonald's app.